Peachy Peach girls from Conrad High School, and today we're making Peachy Peach Nachos. With the full permission, use a can opener to open the canned peach slices. Using a colander, drain the juice from the canned peach slices, then pour into a bowl. Measure out half a cup of peaches. Arrange the peach slices on a plate in a layered pattern similar to how you will arrange chips and nachos. With adult permission, using scissors, cut a small corner end of the bag, then pour in yogurt, then drizzle. Top with chocolate chips, cranberries, almonds, and granola. Enjoy this delicious Peachy Peach Nacho treat.